think cleaning glass means endless streaks and noise. Many believe shiny surfaces always need harsh scrubbing. But that's not true. Technique and tools matter most. I'm a home cleaning specialist with years of experience. I've tested countless tools on glass, mirrors, and tiles. Most squeegees leave streaks or even scratch surface. Some rust, others break, and many feel awkward to hold. So, what's the real solution for spotless glass? Let me introduce the Docrok all-purpose stainless steel squeegee. This tool is engineered for streak-free, squeak-free results. Its premium silicone blade glides smoothly every time. No more watermarks, soap scum, or annoying squeak. Why is it so effective? It's all in the materials. Made from 100% rust-resistant stainless steel for durability. The blade's precise cut ensures efficient water removal. You get a comfortable anti-slip grip for easy handling. It's lightweight yet sturdy, perfect for daily use. Its ergonomic design reduces wrist fatigue during cleaning. This isn't just for showers, it's truly all-purpose. Use it on shower doors, mirrors, tiles, and car windows. Any smooth, flat surface becomes spotless in seconds. Let's see it in action on a shower glass door. With just a few wipes, water drops disappear instantly. No streaks, no residue, just crystal clear glass. Now watch it tackle a foggy bathroom mirror. One swipe and the mirror is perfectly clean. Even car windows are left spotless and clear. Notice there's no squeaking sound, just smooth movement. The stainless steel body resists rust, even in damp areas. It's built to last through years of daily cleaning. Storage is simple with two waterproof adhesive hooks included. Stick them anywhere, shower, kitchen, or garage for easy access. No drilling or complicated installation required. Homeowners love its efficiency and sleek silver look. Car owners appreciate its versatility and compact design. Cleaning enthusiasts trust its professional grade performance. No more switching tools for different surfaces. Save time, effort, and money with one reliable squeegee. Say goodbye to streaks, rust, and uncomfortable grips. Upgrade your cleaning routine with the Docrok Squeegee today. Experience effortless, streak-free cleaning on every surface. Order now and make spotless glass a daily reality.